First thing you're gonna need to do is when you open up Strava, you can see right here, I'm basically just on the maps option like so. And once you're on the maps, you can locate the segment you want to report, or you can go to activity to this. But once you click on the segment, you can see right here, you click on the see details, and you can see right here, if we click on the all time, this is obviously BS, the top like freaking two. So what you're gonna want to do to actually report these people is you simply click on the activity just like so. And once you've done that, you can see in the top right hand corner of the screen, you basically click on the three dots and then click on the report activity option. And once you click on this, you can basically click on the questionable activity data right here, which is at the very top of the screen. And you can basically see right here, there's three options: activity was a vehicle, wrong activity type, or bad GPS data. You can tell if the GPS is bad if there's extremely fast randomized spikes in the speed, going like 1 minute flat per mile, or going down all the way to 10 minutes. But this one is obviously in a vehicle because no one can run a 2 minute mile. And basically you click on the submit right here, or just anything like that. And when you do that, you can just click on OK, and it'll basically just take a 24-hour period to actually update and simply remove the activity from this thing. Like you can see right now, it's automatically been removed. And basically to do it again, you just click on the activity, click on the three dots top right hand corner, click on report activity, and then you can click on questionable data, activity in vehicle, click on submit, and you can see right here, bang, when we actually go back to this thing, it will remove their KOM, and you can see the people who are actually getting it should actually be getting the KOM. And if you found this helpful, leave a like, because we need to stop these Strava, fakers.